Hello students, welcome to video teaching. It's Math First for class 9. In Math First, we are doing revision of polynomials chapter. At present, we are solving the questions given in section D of revision exercise. Today I have assigned question number 6 to 10 to do at home. Well, right now, I will solve a question from section D given on page number 179. It is question number 11. Let's see what the question asked. Question asked to factorize a polynomial is given, and question tells to factorize the given polynomial. Okay, the polynomial is 2x cubed plus 9x square plus 10x plus 3. We have to factorize this polynomial. We will consider a notation for it, say px. So px equal to 2x cubed plus 9x square plus 10x plus 3 is the given polynomial. We have to factorize it. It's a cubic polynomial. Degree, its degree is 3. So a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomials are generally factorized applying certain identities, some identities or formulas related to cube, or if no any identity can be applied, then we factorize the polynomial by zero method, by finding one of the zero using factor theorem. Okay, or this polynomial, this can to factorize the given polynomial, we have to follow zero method, right? We have to use factor theorem. Constant term, let's solve it. Constant term in the polynomial is 3. We will write its factors. Factors of 3. Integral factor. Okay? Are plus minus 1 and plus minus 3. Okay? Next, we will put 1 by 1. Say 1 minus 1. Then 3 minus 3 in the point. Right? To check that which of these numbers, integers, real numbers, make the value of polynomials. This taking which of the real numbers came as factor of 3 for x in the polynomial, the value of polynomial becomes 3. That real number will be one of the 0 of p. So let's put 1. Okay, putting 1 as 1 is positive and where all the terms are positive, we will not get 0. Okay. Next, if we take minus 1, then the first term will be minus 2 plus 9 minus 10 plus 10. It will give us 0. Means taking p is equal x equal to minus 1. The value of p minus 1 becomes 0. 2 into minus 1 plus 9 into minus 1 square plus 8 into minus 1 plus 1. Yes? Simplify it further, it will become minus 2 plus 9 minus 10. Okay? Plus 1. Okay? 9 plus 3, 12 and minus 2 minus 10. Minus 2. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Right? p minus 1, for p minus 1, p minus 1 is 0, means x equal to minus 1 makes the polynomial 0. Hence x minus minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 is a factor of px. We obtained 1 0 minus 1 for the given polynomial and also got the corresponding factor x plus 1. Okay. Now another related factor we have. How? Dividing px by x plus 1. 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus 10x plus 3. In next step we divide the polynomial by x plus 1. Means the factor, by the factor we have got, we divide the given polynomial to get quotient, its related factor. Let's perform division. 2x cubed divided by x gives x 2x square. Now 2x square into x, 2x cubed plus 2x square into 2x square, but we have here 9x square, so we need 7x square. Now 7x square divided by x, 7x, okay, 7x into x, 7x square, and 7x into 1 gives 7x, but here it is 10x, so we have to add 3x. Now 3x divided by x gives 3x divided by x gives 3, so plus 3 will be the next term of quotient. 3 into x dx and 3 over 3. X plus 1 is common factor. 2x square plus 7x plus 3 is another factor. The second factor, which is the second factor, is quadratic polynomial, which can be further factorized into linear polynomial by midterm splitting factor. So we will factorize it by midterm splitting. X plus 1, 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. Next step, x plus 1. We take common from first term and last term. In first term, we got common 2x. Dividing the terms by the common factor 2x, we get x plus 3. From third and fourth, we take one common and thus got x plus 3. In next step, x plus 1 and x plus 3, 2x plus 1 we got. It is the required factor. This is how we factorize a cubic polynomial by geometry. That is, we factorize a cubic or biquadratic polynomial applying factor. I hope you all have understood. You will get this kind of question in the exercise, right? And I hope now you can solve this type of question. Thank you. That's it.